Next note. the mid note. The midpoint of a line segment. The midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Coordinates of P. Suppose this is the AB, A, B, AX1 BX2. P divides the this is the P. This is the midpoint of a line segment. Divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. 1:1. Same ratio. 1:1 or 2:2. Anyone. P is the midpoint. Okay. How to possible? See. Coordinates of P equal actual formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, m1 plus 1 m2 plus 1, 1 into x2, 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1, m1 plus 1, m1 y2 plus m2 plus 1, y1 by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 1. Here m1 plus 1, m2 plus 1, x2 into 1, x2 plus x1 into 1, x1 by 2, y1 into 1 by 1 plus y2 into 1 y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Any ratio 1:1, 2:2, it is called midpoint. P divides in the ratio 1:1. P is called midpoint of AB. Next problem. Try this problem. This is the ABC, vertices of triangle ABC. ABC, vertices of triangle ABC. A 4, 2, B 6, 5, C 1, 4. Vertices of triangle ABC. ABC are vertices. The median from, this is the medians, AD median, BE median, CF median. Medians. Median means a line drawn from vertex to midpoint of opposite side. A line drawn from vertex to midpoint of opposite side. This is the opposite side. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. AD median. B is the median. CF is the median. So D midpoint, E midpoint, F midpoint. First problem. Median from median. This is the median. AD from A meets BC at D. This is the AD is the median. Median means a line drawn from vertex to midpoint of opposite side. Midpoint of, this is the median. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Midpoint means x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the ABC. A 4, 2, B 6, 5, C 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Suppose first one. Find the coordinates of the D. Find the coordinates of the D. D midpoint. So 6 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 4 by 2. First problem. See first problem. Given points A, B, C. The median from A meets BC at D. Coordinates of D equal midpoint of BC. This is the midpoint of BC. Formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Formula midpoint formula x1 6 plus x2 1 by 2, y1 5 plus 4 by 2, 7 6 plus 1 7 by 2, 9 by 2. First problem complete. Second problem. Find the coordinates of P. This is the P. Find the coordinates of P on AD. On AD. P. On AD. Find this is the P. Such that AP is to PD equal to is to 1. AP 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Find P. P divides AB. AD. D means already find D. Find already 7 by 2 comma 9 by 2. 7 by 2 comma 9 by 2. D. P divides AD. A 4 comma 2. D 7 by 2 comma 9 by 2. In the ratio 2 is to 1. The coordinates of P equal to formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by this is the find second problem. First given points. First A, this is the 4 comma 2. D 7 by 2 comma 9 by 2. Already find D. P divides AD in the ratio 2 is to 1. Already given 2 is to ratio. Right, formula coordinates of P equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 substitute values. This is the m1 2 is to 1 ratio. m1 2 into x2 7 by 2. This is the m1 x2. This is the x1 by 1. This is the x2 by 2. x1 by 1 AD. x1 by 1 x2 by 2. x2 7 by 2 plus m2 1 2 is to 1 ratio 2 is to 1 2 plus 1 x1 this is the x1 4 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1 m2 m1 means same 2 is to 1 ratio 2 is to 1 ratio. This is the 2 is to 1 ratio. m1 y2. This is the x1 y1 x2 y2 9 by 2. 2 ones to 2 ones plus m2 1 y1 2. This is the x1 y1 2 by m1 plus m2. Here 2 cancel 7 plus 4 into 1 4 7 plus 4 11 by 3. Here 9 2 cancel 9 plus 2 into 1 2 9 plus 2 11 by 3. P complete. Same P complete. P 11 by 3 comma P 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3. Same. This is the P divides AD in the ratio 2 is to 1. BE divides BE also median. CF also median. P divides AD in the ratio 2 is to 1. Next another point take Q. Same point take Q divides BE in the ratio 2 is to 1. Another point CF median. R suppose take R. P complete Q complete R. R divides CF in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay. Second problem complete. Third problem. This is the third problem. Find the points which divide the line segment BE. This is the BE in the ratio 2 is to 1. BE also 2 is to 1. And also divide the line segment CF in the ratio 2 is to 1. Find the points. Another point here P, another point Q, another point R. Find QR. Find the points which divides first BE in the ratio 2 is to 1. BE in the ratio 2 is to 1. So coordinates of B. First to find D. AD in the ratio 2 is to 1. Next to find E. Find. Next to E means midpoint of AC. Midpoint coordinates of E equal to midpoint of AC. E is the E already D completed. Similarly E is midpoint of AC. X1 4 plus 1 by 2, Y1 2 plus 4 by 2, 4 plus 1 5 by 2, 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4, Y1 2, you're right, 2 plus 4 plus 2 or 2 plus anyone correct, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 by 2, 2 plus 4 6, 5 by 2 comma 2 1 so 2 3s, 5 by 2 comma 3. This is the E complete. Next F find. F is the midpoint of AB. The coordinates of F midpoint of AB. 4 plus 6 by 2, 10 by 2, 2 plus 5 by 2, 2 plus 5 7 by 2. E complete, F complete. E complete, F complete. E BE divides 2:1 ratio. Any median, this is the median, this is the median, any median in the ratio 2:1. CF in the ratio 2:1. Points, take points B 6 comma B 6 comma 5. E already find, this is the E 5 by 2 comma 3. Q divides another point, take here P complete, take another point Q, take Q divides BE, this is the BE in the ratio 2:1. Any median in the ratio 2:1. Coordinates of Q equal to, right formula using m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute values m1 2 x2 5 by 2 plus m1 m2 1 x1 6 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1, here also 2 plus 1, m1 2 y2, this is the 3 plus m2 1 y1 5, 2 by 2 into 2 cancel, 5 by 2 into 2 by 2 cancel, 5 plus 6 11 by 3, 2 3 so 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5 11 by 3. Here observe, this is the Q, this is the Q. Already find P 11 by 3, 11 by 3. Q also 11 by 3, 11 by 3. Next you find R. First AD divides in the ratio 2:1, find P 11 by 3. BE in the ratio 2:1, find R value 11 by 3, 11 by 3. Next to Q completed. Next to R, capital R, take R divides CF in the ratio 2:1. Find the coordinates of R. First to AD complete, BE complete. Next to CF take C1 comma 4. F already find, F 3 5 comma 7 by 2. Given point C, F R divides. Next another point, take P complete, Q complete, R. CF in the ratio R. Another point, P complete, Q, R divides CF in the ratio 2:2. Any median 2:1. Coordinates of R equal to m1 2 x2, this is the 5 plus m2 1 x1 1 by m1 plus m2, m2 y1 plus m1 y2 plus x1 y1, this is the x1 y1, x1 m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 plus 4 by m1 plus m2. 10 plus 1 2 5 10 plus 1 11 by 3, 2 cancel, into 2 by 2 7 by 2 into 2 by 2 cancel, 7 plus 1 into 4 4, 11 by 3 comma P 11 by 3, Q 11 by 3, R 11 by 3. This is the median, P divides, this is the median, Q divides, this is the median, R divides. All medians are meets at same point. Points P, Q, R coincide. This is the coincide, same point, 11 by 3, 11 by 3, 11 by 3, P 11 by 3, Q 11 by 3, R 11 by 3. P, Q, R coincide with each one another and also refers to same point, same point 11 by 3, 11 by 3. So P divides AD, P divides AD in the ratio 2:1. Q divides B in the ratio 2:1. CF in the ratio 2:1. Each median divides in the ratio 2:1. The point of intersection is called centroid. The point of centroid is the point of intersection. This is the intersection point. Same point. It is called centroid. Centroid G equal to formula. Now, just what to observe? All points meets at to same point. This is the centroid. Justify the point divides each median in the ratio 2:1. The centroid of a is the centroid of a triangle. So it is the centroid of a triangle. A 4, 2, B 6, 5, 1C 1, 4. Centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, 1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Substitute values x1 4, x2 6, x3 1 by 3. 4 plus 6 10, 11 by 3. 2 plus 5 7 plus 4 11 by 3. So it is the point that divides each median in the ratio 2:1. It is the compulsory. It is the centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle 11 by 3. Each point P 11 by 3, P 11 by 3, Q 11 by 3, R also 11 by 3. So it is the all points meet at the same point. It is the centroid of a triangle.